Okay, so hi, it's Anthony again. As you can see, Matthew's working on Beyblade Hell. This isn't the Beyblade Hell video. It still needs a lot of work, but don't worry, it'll be done by tomorrow. So, for now, let's look at a little something I like to show, but that I never show to people. Let's go in the darkness. I'm gonna advertise my old comics that I used to make. Some with Chop Young Boy 97. As you can see, my latest comic, Caribbean Flood Blood, also celebrating its 20th anniversary. See Mega Man. Okay, so let's look at some. These are the old comics that I made in 5th grade. I'm in 7th, going into 8th grade after summer. So this is like my first official comic. So I had a bunch of comics. Okay, Dunky Dunks from the so there's a bunch of comics in here. And then season 1 book. So let's look at, this is like the first magazine I made with Chop Young Boy 97, my cousin. So here it is. Triple H breaks out. This was in 3rd grade, by the way. I made this in 3rd grade. 5th grade. Brian's homemade stuff. And then we got stuff like ripped stuff out of magazines. National 24. The Knockout. Edge balls are bleeding out like all the time. Zombie is a big show. Not hard is sleeping. The big show is gonna be for a big time. We won. Since he died, it had horror day. So we took it out. You can't see me. You can't see me if I goes high. I'm not gonna never learn how to talk to anything. So you don't know if you're gay. I'm so cool because I only have one head. Look closely down here. Someone is touching Kylo's balls. Gross. Delivery shop 1, delivery shop 2. Kiss my ass. Public shop 3. Boy. Extreme. Hell yeah. Edge. Game moment. Hugging a guy is so on the K list. Yes. up with John Cena, yay. I want to have sex with the goat. Khalil, never mind. Unreal though. Let's run away. Come on. And just violent. Cartoon wrestler. And then, ooh, and that's all. Stay tuned for Beyblade Hell.